It's not even posted on Canvas yet.
That is insane. I feel like they need to have some sort of deadline for stuff like that.
I know. Like, I feel like these professors have to take freshman seminar too. Hey, I was just thinking.
The speakers must be having issues today.
Yeah, weird. Anyways, what is going on with these speakers, man? That doesn't even sound like a bird.
Hey, what the hell, man?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, where'd that come from?
Anyway, what were you saying?
Oh, well, I know that we were just studying and all, but it was really fun, so if you'd like to do that sometime.
Yeah, I feel the same way. I just really like hanging out with you, honestly.
What was that? What the hell is happening?
What do you mean? I'm trying to work.
You're trying to work?
What the hell else does it look like? You think I climb trees and call it birds for fun?
Oh, I thought the speakers sounded quieter today.
Yeah, they're having maintenance done on them. Birds have been eating the wires or something.
Oh, that makes sense.
Makes sense? How does any of this make sense?
When the speakers are being worked on, they send Paula out here.
What?
Oh, right. This is your first semester. When speakers have maintenance done, they send Paula out so that the birds don't gather.
Yep, that's my job.
And she needs the costume to do it?
I don't know, actually.
You hating on my costume? My mom made this.
Aw, her mom made it.
Yep, she was so excited that I got the job that she worked tirelessly to make my suit. My bird suit.
That's cool. We should probably get going.
Sorry, there was a bird there.
We should probably start moving along now.
Oh, did I interrupt something?
Yes.
Yeah, that's true, actually. We should get going.
All right, well, you kids have fun. My job is never done here until they get those speakers fixed. This campus needs me.